Croeso nôl I Des Clec Nawr. Hefyd ni'n mynd bod yn dysgu difrau'r wythnos. Well, that knows City. Today we're going to learn the days of the week. So then, hyn, yr un goch yn dydd Llun. Monday. Dydd Llun. Okay? Now then, that's how to spell it, okay? Y. Okay then, let's start again. D-Y-D-D. Dydd. O-O-N. Dydd Llun. Double L is and double D is Okay. Next up we've got, that's funny, Tuesday. So then, I forgot how to spell it, so I'm just going to have to look at this a little bit. D-Y-D-D. Dydd. M-A-W-R-T-H. Mouth. Okay. Next up, let's close these. At the end, remember, if you've watched my basic Welsh words, why don't we do this? Dydd Llun. Okay? We're going to do that right till the end. Wednesday. Next up we got Wednesday. Wednesday. Dydd Mercher. Yes. So then, next up, let's do it. D-Y-D-D. Dydd. M-E-R-C-H-R. Oh, after H is E. E, then R. Okay? M-E-R-C-H-R. Okay? Dydd Mercher. Got it. Let's close these again. So then, we're set. Looks like we just got it onto this. Thursday. DVI. That one's kind of easy. D-Y-D-D-I. What? E.A.U. Okay? Friday. D-Y-D-D. G-W-E-N-E-R. Next up, we've got Saturday. Saturday. Dydd Sadwrn. Okay. D-Y-D-D-S-A-D-W-R-N. Dydd Sadwrn. Oh, let's pull these back. It's kind of hard. Last one. Dydd Sul. Sunday. Yep, that's right. Let's do it. Whoops. That's the box. Nintendo. So then, DYDDSUL. Seal. So then, let's do these. Deep clean. Deep clean. Deep mouth. Deep mouth. Deep mercher. Deep mercher. Deep mercher. Ugh. Oh, not the Nintendo box again. DVI. DVI. Deep Gwenner. Deep Gwenner. Deep Saturn. Deep Saturn. Deep Seal. Deep Seal. Hope you liked the video. Goodbye for your any half your video Emma. Goodbye for your teens Roy Busted Land. Hope you put a thumb up and goodbye for your teens Roy subscribe. Ear channel okay? Point loud, deep mouth, deep master, D-I-D Gwyneth Hooray, deep Saturn to seal, why I try deep pronounce, try deep.